And what happens is, sometimes what happens is as you're looking from the top view, the default setting is below where that window would be. But I've got the window, and what I would do is just go back to level 1 and just kind of grab it there. It does show up. Now at this point, it's got to be at a dimension of 8 feet from the corner. So what I'm going to do right here is it's right here, and I need to go from the corner, and so I want to go to the outside there. And so that's 7'6½". I want to make it 8 feet. And that shoves that over, and then if I go ahead and take a look at this right there, I can go ahead and put a dimension on there, and if I go from the corner here, and it finds that right there, and that's 8 feet. So we now have that 8-foot dimension, and again, the window is actually there, but it's just not being shown to us. But we have to kind of like understand that the way the windows are determined in the view is where the cut through is going to be for the windows. All right, how you guys doing? You guys, am I losing you? Okay, looks like you guys are, okay, good. So if I take a look at this, if I go back here to 3D, if I take a look and rotate around it, you've got a pretty good start for this whole thing, okay? And that's how you do it. Now the rest of it, you've got another window out front, and you're going to have some interior doors and so forth. That should be something that you're going to be able to get to as you move along. So we are going to, at this point, let's see, so that's how you begin to do that. Now the next thing that we would do is we could then start to draw level 2 on top of it. Now if you go to level 2, and one thing we talked about before is that you can actually have an underlay of a previous floor. So if I go here, let's see here, if I go to underlay, I can say I want to have level 1 show up under here. Well, there's level 1. Well, now I can just draw on top of it. Now that I have this right here, I would go ahead and I'd want to draw a wall. Now let's talk about what wall would I use. Would I use, for the exterior, would I use the interior wall to draw this around here? Now I'm going to draw the second floor. Let's go, I would use this one right here, exterior wall. What's that?
How do you get the underlay again?
Okay, what I did here, thanks for asking. Okay, so I'm right here, I'm on the second floor, and if I want to see that, you would go here where it says, you would go here for the underlay right here. And then where it says range base, you're going to change that to level 1. You see that, Joe?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how you put that in. Now check this out. Now we go to wall, architectural, and I'm going to just cancel that right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my exterior wall to exterior wall 6.5. Now wait a minute. Do we want to use brick on the top too?
No.
No, it's sided. It's a sided second floor. So we go to 6.5-inch sided. Can you see what I'm doing right here? So if I choose that, if I go to edit type, we can then take a look at it. And this is what this looks like. So going to here, you have a, you've got your siding, you've got your insulation, you have your sheathing, you have your stud, and you have your drywall. So that's all in place, and I've already drawn that for you. Now, do we want to draw this from finished face exterior? Yeah, we do. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to go here. We're going to go ahead and go here to here, and then down to here, and over to here, and then right over to there. Okay, so we got that. Now check this out. Now once I've drawn that, okay, looks like we got it, except it looks like, what happened there? It looks like I might not have what I wanted. Let's see here. So I got the basic wall sided. Let's see here. Well, let me take a look at better detail. Let's go to realistic. Okay, when we put realistic on, it looks a whole lot better. So realistic shows me some siding. Okay, so now I've got siding on my second floor. It's essentially just a cube. It's just sitting on top of the other one. Can you see how I got that going? Does that make sense? Do I need to repeat that?
I'm so far behind you. I am so far behind. I lost my drawing.
Okay, all right. Okay, and I wasn't expecting you guys to necessarily draw along with me. Okay, as far as that goes. If you are, great. But the thing is, I'm not expecting that. Okay, so going back to level 2. All right, now here, If I'm on level 2 right now, I'm still seeing my information on drawing 1 right now. So I'm just going to drop in a window just to show you how that works, and then we'll kind of start to fill some other stuff in. Roofs are the same as we had before. So I'm going to put in let's turn to page 102.1. 102.1. And in 102.1, if you're going to put in the window at the top left part of the structure, how far is that window from the side?
7'4".
It's 7'4". It's also 7'4" on the right and 7'4" at the lower left. Let me see that. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and so those 3 are all the same. I can even mirror them if I wanted to. So right here, all right, Chelsea, Marianne, can you see what I'm doing right here now? Can you see what's going on right now? Okay, I'm going to put in a window right here on the 2nd floor. So I'm going to window, and the window right here is number 4. And so if I go to my schedule, it tells me what that window is. And the schedule is double hung with trim, 36 by 72. So we go double hung with trim, 36 by 72. I'm just going to go ahead and drop this in right there. Boom. And then that's now in place. So let's just place it. So we go to here. And I want to go from the exterior to here. And the dimensions got to be 7'4" as we discussed. 7'4", hit enter. And then I go and I take a look at it 3D. And there is your window right there.
Can we take a break so we can catch up?
Yeah, we'll take a break in a second. Okay, so I wanted to show you that. Now, I didn't show you guys anything different as far as putting in windows or doors. You've already done that. There's nothing different. You're doing the same thing. And you're just drawing a level on top. Okay, but looks like some of you guys are nailing this and some are going to need to fill in some blanks. So we'll go ahead and we'll just take a break right now. It's 7:30. Let's take 10 minutes and we'll come back. We'll get that in a minute. Let's take 10. I gotta stop and take my meds anyway.
We're just done doing that.
Yeah, well, okay, and the thing is, did you draw your